everybody. How's everyone doing? Thank you so much for being here. This is my first time here, and I'm very excited.
I am actually very excited, emotional to host this with somebody I genuinely call a friend, somebody who I can have any random, weird
Any.
weird conversation with. And let me tell you, Prajakta, that before we begin, can we have a round of applause for what she has done to a generation where content creation can lead you to places where you are worth, right? And आज के ज़माने में content कोई भी बना लेता है, but the kind of content that you have made and the kind of content that you have stood up for, I am so proud to say that you are a friend of mine. And I
Thank you.
genuinely mean it.
Thank you. Thank you.
You tell me, how has life been? Mismatched के fans. Yesterday, there was a conversation that Mukesh Chabra had. So somebody asked if जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे थे, शायद एक conversation हुई थी about content creators being given roles. And he said that if you are talking about people like Prajakta, Bhuvan Bam, Ashish, they genuinely deserve the kind of recognition and the kind of roles that they're getting because they're good at it. There's a constant fight because there are also content creators who are given work because of their numbers, but you stand away from it. There are so many times I know that you're not doing something just because you don't feel it. What is that one thing जहाँ पे तुमको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे ये करना चाहिए या ये नहीं करना चाहिए? Because content creation can get to you sometimes, right?
I think सबसे पहले तो the fact मतलब ये तो हाँ this is true that बड़ा ये कहा जाता है कि because they have numbers and stuff like that. But if you ask anyone, I mean I feel very happy to be an artist at a time where it's so driven by validation of the audience, right? I feel very happy to, and I'm very grateful to Mukesh sir for saying that. He actually casted for our first ever short film that I did called Khayali Pulao, which was very special for me. उस time से लेकर आज तक, there's never been a project that has kind of just happened for me or for Bhuvan or for Ashish as well. I mean, the fact that we all have to test for it, the fact that you go और आप जब audition room में बैठे होते हो तो आपकी दोस्ती बन जाती है वहाँ पे क्योंकि आप हर किसी को मिलते रहते हो. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी वो एक सीन भी रहा है कि आ जा तेरी लाइफ बना दूंगा. इट्स नॉट दैट एनी मोर. इट्स द आई थिंक द डायनामिक हैज चेंज टू द ऑडियंस वेयर द ऑडियंस देन डिसाइड्स हु डिसाइड्स टू गेट मोर वर्क एंड हु डजंट अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट. सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू बी इन दैट पोजीशन. एंड व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट वन?
The question was that how do you like differentiate कि मुझे ये करना है मुझे ये नहीं करना है? Because sometimes content creators do things just for content, just for viewership, but you stayed away from that.
I didn't really. There are so many things. Have you seen my older videos? There is no way why anyone in their right mind would do that. I did it for the views. I do it for the validation.
No, now. I'm talking about now,
Even
after you become an actor.
Now also, I'll be very honest with you. I'm so new to this. I don't think I'm in a position जहाँ पे है कि अच्छा choose करो इसमें से क्या करना है. नहीं. I am also constantly testing for things irrespective of whether, I think it's great or not, because I'm like, I want to keep testing because I don't know how else to like keep doing this. I didn't go to school to study acting or, बाकी कोई तरीका तो है नहीं. So you have to keep testing, I think. अभी तक तो वो situation आई नहीं है, लेकिन अगर कभी ऐसा लगता है कि, the good thing about being a creator and an artist at the same time and an actor at the same time at my position where obviously monies take a while to come to you, you don't earn as much. धीरे धीरे time लगता है कमाने में. I know that because my content creation journey kind of keeps me secured like that, I can still take risks as an actor. Financially. So I find myself in a very safe position at this point.
कितने लोगों ने actually ख्याली पुलाव देखा है? It's such a beautiful short film. I remember texting you also because mom and I had watched it together. And my mom loves you as an artist. मुझे सिर्फ ये जानना है कि बचपन से ही acting का कीड़ा था because you started off as an RJ.
That is an overstatement. I started off as a radio jockey, radio production intern who then got like one show to do which was terrible. It was a terrible show. मतलब You know when you get fired from a job, you feel bad. I was relieved because मैं खुद का शो सुनती थी and I used to be like भाई ये तो बहुत ही बकवास है. मैं 20 साल की थी and मैं 12 से 2 का शो करती थी जब मुझे बताया गया था कि मुझे ऑन एयर जाके ऐसे बात करनी पड़ेगी. और मैं ऐसे कौन बात करता है भाई. मुझे बताएगा कि नहीं नो लाइक ट्रक वाले सुनते हैं रात को, रिक्शा वाले सुनते हैं. मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं पता उनसे कैसे बात करनी होती है. मैं किसी को भी 12 बजे फ़ोन करूँ तो ऐसे ही बात करूँगी. But it didn't work. So I used to, I'll say it now, I used to hate it. I used to hate recording it. Plus मुझे live जाना allowed नहीं था क्योंकि रात को कोई होता नहीं है स्टूडियो में. तो मैं दिन में दोपहर में खाना खा के फिर बैठती थी अपना शो रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए और प्लेस करके आती थी. Everything was rigged. वो जो सारे कॉलर्स वॉलर्स, should I say this?
Now that you said it, you should.
मेरे शो के सारे कॉलर्स रिग्ड थे क्योंकि रात कोई था ही नहीं एक्चुअल कॉल करने वाला. सो बड़ा टफ निकला. बट आई एम नाउ इन हाइंडसाइट आई एम काइंड ऑफ ग्लैड दैट इट disappointed me the way that it did. Otherwise, I wouldn't have ever moved out of radio.
But Khayali Pulao, how did that happen then? कैसे हुआ?
Khayali Pulao, Nikhil Taneja, who is also a very, very dear friend, he was working, he kind of called me and he said that Tarun sir has kind of written a film. Tarun Dudeja, who's written and directed it, and he wants you to read it, and he wants you to do it. So मुझे लगा उस टाइम पे do it मतलब कि आप इसके बारे में मेरे YouTube चैनल पे बात करेंगे. When I read it, मैंने कहा it's a beautiful film, sir. He's like, will you do it? I said, yeah, we can do Real Talk Tuesday, we can do this, we can do that. And he's like, no, will you be Asha? And I said, you want me to be a 14-year-old Haryanvi girl? I don't know this. I don't know how I can do this. So it was crazy that it came to me that way and it kind of happened again. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है मेरा पूरा करियर ही ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में चले जा रहा है क्योंकि उस टाइम पे अगर मैंने ज़्यादा सोच लिया होता आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड हैव हैड द गट्स टू डू इट. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स टू मच. बट उस टाइम मैं कहा चलो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस, आई हैव द बेस्ट ऑडियंस इन द वर्ल्ड ऑनेस्टली. अगर दे हैड नॉट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्टेड मी इन ऑल दीज न्यूअर थिंग्स आई कीप ट्राइंग टू डू, देयर वाज नो वे आई वुड हैव द गट्स टू ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स.
एक एपिसोड था कॉफी विद करण का जो शाहरुख सर और आलिया भट्ट आए थे. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इफ यू गाइज रिमेंबर. वहाँ पे उनको पूछा गया था कि यू बीन द लास्ट ऑफ सुपरस्टार्स, तो अगले जनरेशन के सुपरस्टार्स कौन होंगे. और उन्होंने ये शायद 6-7 साल हो गए इस बात को क्योंकि डियर जिंदगी के रिलीज़ के आसपास की बात है. तो आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड 2017-16 समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इट्स एक्चुअली 8-9 years. ही हैड सेड कि नेक्स्ट जो जनरेशन ऑफ सुपरस्टार्स होंगे ना वो डिजिटल सुपरस्टार्स होंगे. He could foresee it. Today, if you see the kind of numbers digital content creators have, उनके वजह से भी उनको जो talented है वो आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. जैसे कि आप है, भुवन है, आशीष है. They are getting those kind of work. Do you agree with him today that digital content creators have become the new face of stardom?
I mean, there's definitely been a shift where suddenly walls that we all thought were too high are lowered now. Suddenly, we are not in a time जहाँ पे ये film territory है, ये TV territory है, ये theater territory. It's all kind of merging. Like the lines are getting very blurry. I remember Rasika saying this in an interview कि thanks to digital, thanks to OTT, every actor has a job today. You know, there's no more gatekeeping, there's no more safeguarding. I think it's opened up, it's become one whole pool of content, and the only person who has any kind of ownership is the audience with the subscription. ये dynamic बड़ा मज़ेदार है. So I definitely think that digitally, India especially is changed. I mean, we're leading the world economy-wise.
But you have been, मतलब आप वो cusp पे थी of the transition, right? पहले जैसे treatment मिलता था from film वाले, the industry, versus like when you were doing even content, like you were doing these shows, versus how they treat you now, जब आप actor बन चुकी है, क्या आपने difference notice किया है?
Luckily for me, 9 out of 10 people I worked with were lovely, and they continue to be lovely. The one person you know about. But otherwise, it's been lovely. I also think that we are working around a generation of actors who are a lot more open, who are a lot more adaptable, a lot more aware in general. तो कई बारी तो वो मेरे दिमाग में होता था. Like I remember when I was shooting जुग जुग जियो, मैं इतनी डरी हुई थी because मेरा first scene जो था was with the whole family. It was Anil sir, Neetu ma'am and Kiara and VD, and मैं इतनी डरी हुई थी. But वो सब मेरे सिर में था. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँची, everybody was so warm and they were so welcoming. And Anil sir said me, अरे मैं तेरा वो वाला video देखा. VD is just the best. So everyone around was. So I think it's also changing.
नो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि एक जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज में शिफ्ट होता है, लाइक व्हेन यू आर एन इंटर्न एट अ रेडियो स्टेशन.
इंटर्न्स का तो फूड चेन में कोई रिस्पेक्ट
नहीं फूड चेन नहीं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर रेडियो डेज वेयर पीपल वुड कम एंड यू वुड मीट देम द एक्टर्स वर्सेस जो जब वो आपसे अब मिलते हैं वेयर यू आर अ पॉपुलर पर्सन, यू आर अ फेमस पर्सन. क्या आपने उनके बिहेवियर में कोई चेंजेस देखे?
बट मैं एक बात बताऊं ऑनेस्टली, एक बात तो है कि दे विल नॉट रिमेंबर मी फ्रॉम व्हेन आई वाज एन इंटर्न. There is no way. Even, let's be very real, even I wouldn't remember me at that time because I wasn't really interacting with them too much. Conversation nahi ho raha tha, introduction bhi nahi ho raha tha. I was bringing them coffee, that's about it. So I don't hold that against anything. But having said that, there are some interactions that will always stay so special for me. Like I remember when first time Ayushmann Khurrana had come to the studios, I think for Vicky Dono. तो Vicky Dono कब आई थी? नो तो फिर 2015 में, चल जो भी, तो उसके लिए जब ही हैड कम, उस टाइम पे आई रिमेंबर ही वाज सिटिंग इन द बूथ एंड आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग द शो. तो ऐसे होता है कि एक रिकॉर्डिंग बूथ होता है और बाहर एक प्रोड्यूसर का बूथ होता है जहाँ पे आप बैठ के शो रिकॉर्ड करते हो. आई वाज ब्लशिंग, आई वाज रेड बिकॉज लाइक इट्स आयुष्मान खुराना. सो आई केप्ट लुकिंग एट हिम लाइक दिस एंड वन टाइम आई लुक्ड एट हिम ना, ही सेड दिस एंड ही विंक्ड. So he was great. Then he was lovely. Amir Khan was also very, very. He's always been lovely to me. Whether I was an intern or a creator or whatever, Jackie Shroff was beautiful. I mean, I think it was my second month of being a creator, being a intern, and I was like, dude, I got bidooed. This is great. He's entered and he shook my hand. So, बहुत सारे, I think, when you're sitting as an intern, like a fly on the wall, ना, तो बहुत कुछ दिख जाता है, and you can tell. But luckily for me, I ended up meeting good people again and again and again. So I feel fortunate.
And then Mismatched happened. And how many of you actually love Mismatched? Let's just give a round of. I think I will raise both my hands. I keep waiting for every season of
Me
Mismatched.
also.
What was your first reaction? पहला reaction क्या था जब आपको बोला गया कि you will be headlining this series?
पहले तो पंचमी घावरी, who has been my fairy godmother, she casted me for Mismatch, she casted me for Jug Jug Jio. पंचमी का मुझे phone आया था and she said, hi, I'm Panchmi and we are casting for this Netflix show called When Dimple Met Rishi. At that time it was called that because Sandhya Menon's book is called When Dimple Met Rishi. I said, okay. And she like, we want to test you for Dimple. And I was like, title? क्योंकि तब तक तो you are the bubbly neighbor, you're the best friend, you're the voice of reason, you are the, वही था. मैंने कहा, I said for Dimple. She said yeah. और उस टाइम पे मुझे ऑडिशन से बहुत डर लगता था. I used to be very nervous. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था जितना जो थोड़ा बहुत आता भी है ना, मैं वहाँ पे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना लो चलता था. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है बताती हूँ. So because I was so scared, I had a flight to go to Japan. I was going to Tokyo with YouTube. तो मैंने बोला मैंने कहा नहीं आ सकती मैं, मेरी flight है अभी. तो कह रही it's very urgent because we start shooting in 3 months. मैंने कहा sorry, I don't think I'll be able to make it. उसी टाइम पे न्यूज़ पे आया my flight has been delayed by 6 hours because वहाँ पे कोई टॉर्नेडो आ गया था जापान में. तो सुदीप इज़ लाइक चलो नाउ गो, यू हैव टू गो एंड यू हैव टू गिव द ऑडिशन. मैंने कहा ठीक है मैं जाऊँगी बट आई डोंट वांट उस टाइम पे मेकअप करना वगैरह आता भी नहीं था खुद का. तो मैं कहा आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू दिस, आई जस्ट गो इन माई एयरपोर्ट क्लोथ. एक फ्रेंड्स का स्वेट शर्ट पहना था मैंने एंड आई हैड माई चश्मा एंड माई हेयर वॉज मेसी, माई स्वेट पैंट्स. आई वेंट इन एंड शी टेस्टेड मी. And then I remember I was in Japan when Akash called me and he said ki, will you come and test one more time? We want to test you with this boy. I said, okay, I'll come. So I've gone and that's when I met Rohit for the first time. and it was extremely, yeah, it was very awkward, but it was awkward till they said action, and then we did the scene. अगर season 1 में आपको याद है वो thank you भोलेनाथ, Jaipur really needed this. वो वाला scene was the scene that we tested for together for the first time. And उसके बाद hello hi whatever हुआ happened, and then it just they called me, they're like, okay, we are doing this and you're locked, and I was like, oh, okay, fun. And I was so nervous. All of us were new. I mean, Rohit had obviously done some work, but बाकी सब जो थे, Taruk and Kritika and Abhinav, Muskan, Vihan, all of us, we were so new. We were all meeting each other for the first time. तो पहला season तो ऐसे मजे मजे में निकल गया. Then कहीं पे तो पता था कि second season होगा, क्योंकि the book had not ended in the first season. But after the second season ended, मैंने कहा चलो okay. Then they said third. I said oh. Then we did third, and then they're like one more. So like चलता रहे.
But Dimple और ऋषि कब मिलेंगे एक दूसरे से? I think it's the question. Have you seen those edits where they have basically taken your Sunny Sanskari ka scene and they've edited it and said this should be the ending that we are waiting for? Have you seen that? Have you guys seen any of it? And let me tell you that I think that's the scene that I started shouting for and screaming for when I watched Sunny Sanskari. I was like, this came out of syllabus and this was so good. What was your first reaction? Did you expect कि ये होने वाला है ये scene करने के बाद?
नहीं, I mean it was so. मैं तो खुश हो गई when Shashank told me. Shashank is like, you'll do or what? I said, of course I'll do, dude. It's your movie. It's a theatrical movie, and it's huge, and it's special even more because Abhinav is in it, Manish is in it, Rohit is in it. I said, of course, and we shot it. And then uske baad a lot happened after that. My book released. I got married. I moved out. Like a lot of these things. Yeah, which by the way has been the most lucrative thing I've done in my life. 11 years of creating content, nothing has gotten me the numbers that my wedding pictures got. So I'm like, clearly what I was doing something wrong. Anyway, so बहुत कुछ हुआ, and then I found out कि अच्छा the movie is releasing. I still haven't watched it. Can you imagine?
What?
I haven't watched Sunny Sanskari yet.
You should have watched it with
In the
audience.
theaters, I wanted to, but I've been traveling for the past 3 months. I missed it. I think it's coming on Netflix, so I'll watch it then.